Turbo Turnip Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo Turnip Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo Turnip Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now.
Hello, YouTube. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Let's go. It's the Turbo Turn-Up Time. Turn up, Turbo Time, or Turbo Turn-Up Time. Let's go. Let's go. It's Turbo Turn-Up Time. Remember, Turbo, Turbo, Turbo. And yes, we're back. It was a delay. I was trying to figure some stuff out. It's snowing like here crazy, so I had to do some prep real quick because the snow is getting out of control. Tell me we're gonna get 4 to 5 inches of snow, and if you know Texas, Texas is not ready for that kind of snow. But everything else going on, there was a what was it, a Raz strawberry AMA, and I caught some of it, but I didn't catch most of it. So I was trying to see what happened. Let me know if you guys joined the AMA. But let's get to Twitter and let me know what you guys think. So let me see. This is the BTM Twitter page. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and sign up for the Twitter page. 1 second. And this is, let's see, Gino. What up, Gino? Load to Toad for sure. Nice jacket there. If you like it, I love it. Stay calm. The future is being built now. The dips test your patience, and the peaks reward your persistence. Turbo mode activated. Let's go. This is, oh yeah, so we got an AMA for Wednesday. I'll be talking to Epidemic or Endemic, and they have a project with Turbo coming up with their NFTs. So we'll have to wait and see and get some more information. Don't forget to go ahead and sign up for that AMA and let me know what you guys think. I'll get you some more information about that as well. 1 second. And this is the AMA. Make sure you sign up for it. Moving forward, this is Turbo Sage. Despite the economic downturn, my conventions remain unchanged, and it's stronger than ever. I see every dip as an opportunity to accumulate. Buy the dip. What up, TJ, the homie? What's going on? We're doing it all live, TJ. We're doing it all live. Thanks for joining. Thanks for like, sharing, subscribing, and super chat. I got behind the day trying to find these AMAs, but now we are live. Give a shout out to TJ, the homie. TJ, your blockchain homie. Sorry about that, brother. And we will see what's going down. And this is da 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 da. I see every dip as an opportunity to accumulate turbo before the true parabolic phase of altcoin season begins. This is the moment where everyone, well, holy cow. Everyone's resolve is truly tested. The weak-hearted investors, growing frustrated by the piece of action of Bitcoin, the price action of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Sorry, trying to get my glove ready, which has dragged the altcoins down from a percentage points over the past couple of days. So you got a diamond hand. You got to continue to hold on. I know it's getting crazy and getting tough, but keep holding. Your patience will pay off, guys. I'm telling you, right? And this is the Turbo Toad ascending over the bear. But why is there a cloud? It's kind of weird. Where are all these guys? I don't know. But this is a cool image. Shout out to Turbo Sage. Let's go. And Diamond Hand, guys. So this is Aurora. Aurora, let's give a warm welcome to Cameron in from Near Protocol as he joins the incredible lineup to speak today in X Spaces on AI agents. This is the event everyone wants to attend. Special kudos to the amazing participants, Turbo Toad. What up, Turbo Toad and Wall Street Beats, Aurora Dev, intern Barry. So this is Strawberry's final speaker announcement. We're excited to reveal Cameron Premier Protocol will be joining our AI agents Twitter space today. And let me know if you guys watched that because I didn't watch it. I missed it. Actually, there's something else. There's a lot going on. Stuff's happening. It's freaking snowing here. Literally, what is that? Texas is freezing over or hail is freezing over. So it's getting crazy out here. Let me see. We're looking forward. What to expect, how AI agents will revolutionize Web3 and drive mass adoption, the important proof of AI for transparency and trust, AI agents as traders, fund managers, and innovations, why AI agents launchpads should rival leading layer one blockchains, buried chain, and the upcoming AI agent launchpad. So I don't know if you guys joined the meeting or if you were involved or if anybody saw that AMA. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. The super chat button is working. Hit your boy up with a super chat. I'm just trying to keep the lights on at Turbo Toad Central. Does the thing say Turbo Toad Central? Let me see. Let me check. Yeah, it does say Turbo Toad Central. So we live because we're doing it all live. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. Sith Lord, what's going on with you? When it comes to turbo, why is it larger influencers never speak about it or have to on their top list 255 subscribers, 250K subscribers, or have maybe that's it on their top list because they're not getting paid, bro. I can tell you straight up. Nope. The big influencers only talk about stuff that pays them, right? So a lot of these guys don't talk about Turbo because Turbo doesn't pay them. Like people offer me all the time to shield tokens. And I told you guys previously, I'm not shelling anything I don't believe in, right? I'm not going to tell you guys to get in and get rug pulled and lose your money and then you come crying back to me. I only talk about tokens I'm making money in and that I'm invested in. Like we had a talk. Actually, I was on TJ, your blockchain homie, earlier, and we're talking about AI tokens. And I only tell you guys about tokens that I invest in or that I'm researching, right? Like people tell me all the time, buy this, get this, talk about this. Can you mention it? And even on KRC 20 tokens, people hit me up all day, every day. And if I don't believe in a project, I'm not going to talk about it. I'm not even going to bring it up. So we'll have to see. Here comes the larger influencers. How come the larger influencers? never speak about Turbo or have Turbo in their list. I don't know, because I was wondering that too, because I watch even these guys that are stock investors, right? So all of a sudden, at first they were like, no crypto, no crypto, no crypto. We don't do crypto, right? So I met this guy, Larry Jones. If you know Larry Jones, Stock Up, right? I met him, talked to him. He was cool. And he was like, I don't know about investing in crypto. And then all of a sudden, he started talking about crypto. Now he's talking about everything from Bitcoin to altcoins, even meme coins. And these guys mainly focus on bonk and Flokai or all the stuff that's not going to make money in, right? I don't know if they're getting paid to do it or if they only talk about certain things, but a lot of influencers don't talk about Turbo. Even Crypto John came to the Turbo AMA. He didn't say anything. He was just there, which is weird. But for some reason, these guys are staying weary of Turbo. Hey, now, what is up, Alfred? So I don't know why that is. If you know, let me know in the comments. Or if you have any ideas, suggestions, thoughts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. But yeah, I don't know why these guys don't talk about it. I don't know if there's something taboo about Turbo that actually rhymes, taboo about Turbo, or if these guys just don't want to get involved, or if there's some dark overlord in the background telling people not to talk about it and to stay away from it. Kind of like they did to Kaspa, right? These guys got together and kind of fudded Kaspa all the way out. And I suspect they don't want to get involved in Turbo because it can't get rug pulled, right? Some of these influencers, I'm not naming names, but there is I don't know how to say this. I don't want to offend anybody or make people mad, but there is a unscrupulous, I'll say that, team of folks that are kind of buying and dumping, right? They buy it, hold it, tell their Discord about it. Discord buys it and they dump it. And they do it over and over again. Rinse and repeat, right? And the coins that they can't dump or they can't rug pull or they can't buy and drop, they don't talk about, right? They might come to AMAs and listen and chill, talk, maybe from time to time. But shout out to Crypto John because he does mention Turbo. So I guess John's one of the better guys. But some of these other influencers don't talk about it at all. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But remember to diamond hand, right? Don't buy into the FUD. Don't have these guys convince you. Continue to hold strong, right? Continue to diamond hand like this Michael Jackson glove that's kind of small. But shout out to, I think my mom got this for me. So I really appreciate the props. If you guys want to get props, go ahead and DM me and send it right over. We will take donations and any items to help the show, right? Trying to keep the show pushing. What up, Pip? Good morning, Pip, or good evening there. I guess you're having dinner. And I always want to say you're in Ireland, but you're not in Ireland. You told me where you were. Where was it? It's not. I think it's Europe, the Eastern Bloc. Are you Europe somewhere? I can't remember. I need to write that down, actually. But let's get back to Twitter. Sorry, I went on a rant and a rave. But I'm stuck in the house. It's cold. It's snowing. So we are here and we're live. I might go live again later today. I ain't doing nothing else. Netherlands. Yeah, you're right. Netherlands. But I lived in Ireland. Netherlands. Why do I always forget that? Yeah, no, I had a development team I was working with out of the Netherlands, actually. And those guys were freaking hilarious. That's not here nor there. They were saying that they always do what does this guy say? He had a trailer or something. So he says they always go biking and trailers and then calls them holidays instead of what is it, vacation? Is it vacation? Something weird. But instead of vacation, it's always holiday. I'm going on holidays. We're having a holiday. Um, Here in the US, holiday means time off because the business is closed. In the UK, holiday means anytime you're not working, I think. Just trying to keep up. we will see. Yeah, Larry used to be big on AMP. What's AMP? AMP? I don't know, but Larry was not talking. Dude, I met Larry in Dallas. He came down for a speaking engagement. You know what I'm saying? I've been following Larry for years. And then after we talked, he was like, maybe I need to look into crypto. And then he started talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is cool. And then he started getting more into what is that? The altcoins, right? He was big on XRP and something else. And then he slowly got into meme coins. I think he was like Flock and God. No, that's what it was. So he got in with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then he started talking about Dodge. And then he started talking about Pepe. That's when I started looking at Pepe. And then from there, I fell into the rabbit hole of Solana and then got into Solana meme coins. And I might do a video about that. I got a lot of Solana AI agents I picked up recently in tracking. So we can probably start talking about that. But let's get back to Turbo. I saw you were also on the AMA on Twitter earlier. Yeah, I caught some of it, but I didn't figure out what Strawberry AI was actually talking about or where they were going. So I didn't keep watching it. Let me know what you got out of it if you kept listening. I went to another meeting and didn't hear the end. I might check that out early. Crypto John has a large bag of Turbo. He was one of the first to speak on Turbo. Yeah, actually, somebody brought this to the BTM live show from where Crypto John's talking about it. So I don't FUD anybody or hate on any other influencers, although a lot of them hate me, but I really don't give a. You feel what I'm saying? We keep it pushing, right? Not gonna be in the corner crying about if you want to be cool or not cool, if you want to shout me out or don't shout me out, if you want to speak, I don't give a. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm not in it for the money, right? It's cool. I like to make money, but I'm going to make money regardless, right? If you're helping me or you want to be cool, you want to be friends, you don't want to be friends, I really don't care, right? Because it's not a problem until it's a problem. And you don't want this problem straight up, right? A lot of these influencers talk tough, but when you see them, they're not the tough people you think they are, right? And the kid got no reason to run, bro. I ain't been running for people ever. Right? So don't get it twisted. Right? You see me out somewhere, I'm gonna speak and be cool. But if you don't want to be cool, I don't know what to tell you. But where I'm from, we call it knock if you buck, right? You run up, you want some, you're gonna get more than you wanted. But let's get back to business. Um left as well. Sounded like a lot of what if instead of definite plan. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't sure. I couldn't follow what they were trying to say, right? It was kind of a lot of maybe a first meetup or an initial project or something. So, much as I would love to see, we'll have to follow back up and see what's going on. Jack 13 BTM is the first one that sniped Turbo. Get your facts straight with it, Sif. Ah, no, actually, Jack, no, for real, man. I definitely was talking or saw Crypto John talking about it as well. So I did get in early, but I want to say, who is this guy? I think John was talking about it, and then who is this? What's this guy's name? Dang it! Oh yeah, Zap. Zap was talking about it too, right? And then all the rest of these guys, Freeman came, Rashawn came, and everybody else came. But initially, it was Zap and actually Crypto John and then Zap. But no worries there. Would be interested to see Turbo AI agent, but it would need a purpose. Actually, I don't know if I can say, I don't know if I can talk about it. I guess actually I don't even give a damn no more, right? They are working on something. I don't know what but there is some kind of development project update, something going down with the Turbo AI agent. I don't want to let the cat out the bag, but I've been back and forth with these guys all morning. So at this point, it is what it is, right? On Zap, haven't seen him and such. Yeah, actually, Pip, you're right, man. I've been talking to other influencers. I hope everything's good with that guy because I don't know what happened. He stopped making videos. But this is common in YouTube, especially for crypto guys. Either they make a lot of money and disappear, or they lose money and disappear, or they just get involved in something else. I know I followed a guy, trying to remember what his name was. There's a lot of altcoins. It was altcoin something, right? It wasn't altcoin Bonanza. I want to say it was altcoin daily or something. Some kind of, I don't know, something altcoin. Anyway, the guy was making videos every day and he just stopped. I don't know what happened to him, how it happened, or what's going down, but he just stopped making videos. So I don't know, but maybe I can find him and see, but we will have to wait and figure out. Just looking at something real quick. But shout out to Zap Franco. And see what's up with this guy. You're right, Pip. Let me get back. We done went down a full rabbit hole, right? Subject request for Turbo token listed on Robinhood. Dear Robinhood team, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing on behalf of Turbo community, a passionate and rapidly growing group of investors and supporters who are eager to see the token listed on your app. And I like this, right? I like this. This is like a royal Robin Hood, right? This fool got the bow tie and the vest and the lapel and some old big band in the background. I'm not sure what this is, but this fool got the laser bow and arrow, I guess. I don't see the actual arrow, but this is actually pretty good. So shout out to Gino. And this is Greet Vote for Turbo, fellow Toad. Robin Hood, look who gets the strongest community. Oh, yeah. So this freaking guy right here, your boy, your folks. So on the last time we had something, right? It came down to us and Floke. TJ, this is why I don't like Floke. It came down to us and Floke, and for some reason, Floke won out big, right? We were neck and neck. All of a sudden, Floke came out of nowhere and started getting numbers. Like it was 20 to 25. These guys went from 20 to 60%. So keep an eye out because if he does it again, we're going to rate him like we did last time. I'm surprised he's got the balls to do it again. But this is, I don't know, altcoin Jim. I don't know who this guy is. But yeah, this is the new one. He completely flooded us out the last time, right? Because it was between us and Floke. And if you notice, what is this? Notice Floke is on the same side as us this time. So I suspect it's going to come down to Turbo and who's winning on this side? Baby Dodge. And they're probably going to try to screw us over again with Baby Dodge, right? It's probably going to come down to us and Baby Dodge, and then there will be violence. Violence, I tell you. No, I'm just playing. Just playing. But it's weird that this guy always brings us down to the last two. Whatever the numbers are, we always lose. So we'll keep an eye on that and get prepared for violence. I'm just playing. I was only joking. There's no violence, but there will be consequences and repercussions. Consequences and repercussions. consequences and repercussions. Let me calm down. Zap made a video saying that he had a solid, sold all his bags and was going to concentrate on God and his family. Really? Smart guy. I'm pretty sure he made a nice little grip, and I'm pretty sure I think he was getting into real estate or something. So yeah, Zap might have what a lot of people do, right? You make some money and you get into a business. You don't keep looking at the crypto charts every day and night because it's stressful. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. YouTube and making these videos is stressful. There's lots of questions. People tell you a lot of people want to know and nobody listens. And there's a lot of back and forth. You know what you're talking about. You don't know what you're talking about. You're making money. You're not making money. And then on the side, a lot of these YouTubers are not being truthful with you guys. A lot of these guys are telling you one thing and doing something. Because until they show you, right? Like somebody had mentioned to me, until they show you, you don't know what they're holding, right? Like a lot of people are saying they're holding a lot of something, and then you find out they weren't holding it. There is some questions about um some of these influencers and if they even had Caspa, right? A lot of people are flooding Caspa. There's some sentiment or thought or concern that these guys never had it to begin with, right? They just flooded us to get it. And once they realize it's not going to do what they thought it was, then they changed their whole tune. Salamander, what's going on? Yeah, bro, it's snowing in Dallas, bro. Snowing a lot. I think we got four. What did she say? Uh, Let me see. What did they say? Yeah, 3 to 4 inches already. And it's going to come down even harder afternoon, right? It's going to pick up again and start saying, so they closed the schools here and they closed the school today and tomorrow, and they're talking about closing them Monday. Zach sold his bag, paid his debt taxes, and chilling like a villain. Sith Lord, that's what I'm trying to do. Chilling like a villain, right? I don't know about paying taxes, but definitely get out of the debt and maybe buy some properties. I saw something about what is this? Buying land for $1,000 and building houses on it. But if the crypto pays off the way I think it will, I'm just going to buy a whole bunch of plots of land for 1,000 a whop, right? I guess buy 10 of those, and then buy a storage facility and maybe a laundromat, right? But definitely not trying to be in the crypto game forever. I'm cashing out and using that to start businesses. For real, although not surprised, he mentioned both often in his videos. Good for him. Hope he does well. Hope he's doing well too. I said John was one of the first influencers to speak on it. Jag, I can't hear you. I have 10 million turbo. Here y'all go with this. It doesn't even matter, right? And I'm tripping. Need to get back to Twitter. I'm down this rabbit hole. We've been talking about other influencers and not finishing. Together, we are turbo. We are as a whole turbo, guys, not just one or two people together. Can't start falling apart now when the times get tough. When times get tough, the tough get walking. What does that saying go? When times get tough, the tough get walking, tough get harder. I don't know. I haven't even heard that in a while. But yeah, we got to stick together, guys. The only way turbo works is the tough get going. Okay. But only way this works is we stick together, right? A lot of communities are falling apart. People are going crazy. People are finger pointing, accusing people. People are talking out the side of their necks. But we will make it through. You know what I'm saying? So just continue to diamond hand. Together, we are Turbo, a force fueled by innovation, driven by belief and united purpose. Every holder is a cornerstone of this revolution, and every step towards its proof is our unstoppable momentum. The future isn't waiting, it's ours to create, rise, hold, and lead. So, yeah, got to stick together, guys. The lead the charge, the power is in our hands. Turbo mode activated. Oh, wow, this is a phoenix. This is fire. A phoenix with a frog standing on a wave. Okay, with the moon in the background. This is fire. And shout out to all the people in Turbo who make these memes and pictures and keep the momentum going, guys. A lot of what we do comes from you guys, your support, you like, sharing, and subscribing, and super chat and BTM. I had to do that in there. But a lot of what's going on is because of the strength of the community. A Aurora is near Turbo Toad and Strawberry AI and T Pro Network. In a palace in Lisbon. I guess that's Portugal, maybe, possibly. I don't know. And shout out to Sammy. This is where I got the thumbnail from. It's a toad with sunglasses. Which somebody said don't use the sunglasses, but I'm using the sunglasses. But he's diamond handing it, baby. He is diamond handing it. Just what I implore you guys to do. Continue to hold, right? We're not going to drop until people start selling. And if people do what they say, we're going to keep pushing. So this is Turbo, and this is a frog holding. I guess he's holding strong. I should have used that actually as a thumbnail. Interesting. This is my coin vision. Together, they form a powerful combination that delivers results that we can be proud of. Partnership to cherish. Be part of this turbo revolution. The revolution will not be televised. And this is the guys from Aurora. I think I have this coming up. Come on, Robin Hood, Turbo artist, and the whole Turbo fam designing the future of AI, crypto, art while flooding you with a lot of memes. So shout out to, I think it was the Roaring Toady for starting the blitz against Twitter yesterday with Turbo. Life is fleeting. Are you going to miss your chance for financial freedom? Shout out to the Screaming Toad. This is J Boss. What will it take to list Turbo? Has the best community in the crypto space. Has Turbo Chain, Turbo Swap, the debit card, and more. I'm willing to submit a form request on behalf of the community. Draft is ready. Oh yeah. Also, there is an announcement coming Monday from Turbo. I need to double check because these guys have me on handcuffs, bro. I can't really talk about too much. There's so much going on, so much community. They don't want me spilling the beans, but you can see here there is a lot of that was the wrong one. But there's a lot of Turbo Toe groups here, right? These guys are talking all day, every day. Okay, I can show you this one then. Yeah, these guys are talking all day, every day. There's a lots of groups. And this is Turbo to $1. This fool says $6. You guys are to the moon. What is going on? But yeah, you can see here there's a lot of Turbo groups, right? There's a lot of discussion. We are always talking and trying to improve the project. Linsanity, steady hands build lasting gains. Hold. Let patience work its magic. If you can't hold, you won't be rich. Definitely, right? You got to continue to diamond hand it. And I keep taking this glove off to put it back on to take it off. You guys are driving me crazy. This is you found the missing piece, but don't yet know where it fits. What the hell? Listen to your inner voice. Robin Hood, Turbo Toad. Okay. This is Gino with the Turbo Chain. Let me know if you guys are involved in the Turbo Chain. If anybody is building on the Turbo Chain. I had a way to track that actually, but I haven't been on there in a while. Let's see if I can find this real quick. Uh, let me see. Where is it? Um, trying to remember where that was actually. Oh wow, what's this? What is this? Yeah. Wait, what? Mhm. Yeah, Aurora had a link. Trying to look for that link. Nope. Mm. Trying to see if I can find it real. Eureka! Is this it? Please be it. Please be it. Please don't be something crazy. Please don't be something crazy. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is. Is this it? There's a dashboard on. Maybe it's this guy. Okay, yeah, here it is. So currently there are 40 uh, total accounts, 184 addresses, 4.8 million total blocks, and there are 12 contracts deployed and one verified, and there are a total of 94 contracts. So they are building on the Turbo. What is this? What is this? Let me see. Where did this go? They are building on the Turbo chain, right? This is the Turbo chain. Okay. So let's look at the numbers. Been on a rabbit hole most of the day. Let's actually look at something. So Turbo is down to 540.5 million in market cap, down 1.1% the hour, down 92 in the last 24 hours, down 11.8 in the last 7 days, back to 008. Current, what is this? Current, no, this is the, currently we have 51,204 holders. Need to update this 51,295. So almost 51,300 total holders. Memecoin, dang. AI 16 is down to number 7. Pudge is down 10%. AI 16 is down 13%. Dogwood Hat's down 7. Floke is down 9. SPX is down 1%. Wow, how fast Fart Coin came down. That's a tongue twister. Try to tell people don't get too deep into Fart Coin, but looks like Fart Coin has been down under a buck. Brett is down 8%. Mog is down 11. Giga Chat is down 12. Wow, Giga Chat came down. Popcat is down 18.9. Holy crap. Turbo is down 8%. Turbo slowly inching up. Let me know what you guys think Turbo will hit before the bull run or before the altcoin bull market starts. Peanuts down 546.6 million, down 14%. So we are slowly sliding up low key as everything else stays down big. Turbo is slowly pushing back up the pole here or the coin ranking. And this is time for Turbo. Hey, Robinhood, it's time to turn up the heat with Turbo. And let me see. Let me put this over here because I want to check the bubbles real quick. Let's see what the crypto bubbles have to say. Um, this is crypto bubble. Oh, wow, Lithium is up 3.8. AI 16 is down 18.6. I might need to move around. Uh, Hoppy is down 2.8. Everybody's talking about Hoppy, but Hoppy continues to slide. I don't know. I got this. What is that? Book of Mac Coin, Book of Mac Fury. I got it cheap, and it still ain't doing much. So I'm kind of not very impressed with the Matt Fury whole saga. Litecoin's up 2.2. I might have to turn my Litecoin miner back on tonight. Um, Popcat's down 10, Mog's down 9. ICP, which these guys are fanatics, are down 6.8. Render's down 1.5. Archblock is down 4.3. Pin's actually down. That might be something to look into, actually, because Pin ain't been our boys at Token, maybe you heard of those guys, are only down 4% today. So might be the push up we've been waiting for. Pepe's down 3. GigaChat's down 6.7. And Radium's down 4.5. Solana's down 3.8. That's down 3.5. XRP is down 0.9. Bonk is down 2.7. Nero's down up 0.6. So I don't know, but a lot of people are making Hoppy videos. I hope they don't seeing what I'm seeing. Oh wow, Hoppy is kind of cheap though. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 4 zeros and a 7. Down 14% for the week, 40% for the month. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. This is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes. I'm probably staying away from that one. Just an FYI. Let me know what you guys think about it. Are you guys big into Hoppy? Do you want Hoppy to succeed? Are you buying Hoppy with everything you got? Let me know in the comments. Somebody's been playing with my mic stand, but I think we're back on track. So let me know what you guys think about Hoppy. You like it, you love it, you hate it. What do you think? So this is going on 40 minutes of talking. Oh yeah, I want to hit this real quick. Look at the trading view. Then we're going to get to videos. You know how we do. Why am I putting trading view in the symbols? Turbo. And of course, it's the OKX. We're going to launch the chart. Just texting somebody real quick. Let me see. So this is Turbo. The low is 007. I told you guys we're going to hit that 007 and pounce back up like we did on the 1 hour chart. And you see here something happened. Something happening here. What is this? MACD crossed. And we've been building volume most of the day. I'm trying to figure out since yesterday. Volume is up, which is a good thing. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart showing the same thing. We had a volume build. Had some volume building, had a MACD cross, and volume's going back down. We hit the 007 and bounce back up. And let me see. I'm trying to figure out where my dang lines are. Okay, there we are. Oh wow, it's been a while. This is the 0.10, so that is 1.3 cents. And it's been a while since we got over that. That was in December. Since then, we've been going up and down and up and down. Seems to be a double bottom is forming on the 15-minute chart. We'll look at the 4-hour chart. So does this look like a double bottom? Let me know what you guys think. Is this a double bottom forming or a cup and handle pattern? I'm not 100% sure what the actual uh, um, terminology, right? I'm new. I'm trying to figure out the terminology, but something's brewing with turbo. As you guys said, something might be happening. Somebody mentioned it would take off by the end of January once the presidential inauguration happens, which is 2 weeks. We might see a serious pump coming. And we will see. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. But we are back to 008. I told you we wouldn't be at the 007 long. This was 006. And the last time, what is this? 005. And that was October. So if anybody's telling you we're going down past 007, they're lying to you. The 007 looks like we're coming back up on the 4-hour chart. Let me look at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart looks like we're gradually coming down for us to pick it up, right? You guys are talking about buying. The best time to buy is when it is down. And much to my dismays, it didn't stay down long, right? I wanted to go down so I can pick it up. Somebody said they're going to get 10,000 worth of turbo if it gets down to 006. Sorry about that, fellow, because I don't think it's getting down to 006. If it goes down to 007, I might pick up some. Hopefully, it'll push back up. But with the market instability going on now, I don't know. But you guys want to go up. I want it to go down so I can get some more crypto. I want to go down so I can pick it up, right? But it's going to come back, guys. Like I said in the thing, just keep holding. Of all the things to invest in crypto wise, this is one of the safest bets. I'm not trying to give you financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. But this is probably one of the safer things to invest in. As far as meme goes, currently only adding Hoppy and XPX. And let me see here. I don't know about Hoppy. You guys are really big on Hoppy. I'm kind of so mad with the whole Matt Fury coin. I'm not touching nothing Matt Fury, right? I'm already deep in. Well, I'm already stuck with what I'm already got with Matt Fury. I might get into Hoppy. I don't know. Is Hoppy and Speedy? That's all Matt Fury, right? Um, Trying to go back to the bubbles real quick before we get into some videos. So let me know what you guys think. Dang it, AI 16's down 20%. Hoppy's down 2.9, 15 on a week, 40% on a month. Well, if you get in Hoppy, this might be a pretty good time. I'm just saying. I don't know. Again, this is just financial advice. But yeah, it's mostly red. We got Litecoin, we got lithium. What is this? Nachos up? Yeah, I might have to turn my lithium miner on right now just to see if we can make a couple bucks. What is this? Turbo has held up really. You're right, right? Let me go back to the charts. Where are we? Where are the charts? This is the chart. And as you can see here, over the why is this 15-minute chart? Let's go to the day chart. And if you can see here on the day chart, oh wow, since May, right? What other chart's doing this? Why lines are so hard to get straight? Look at this. This is since June 2024, right? Turbo has been pretty much above the 007 since May. Show me another chart that looks like this. Most of the charts are up and down. There ain't too many charts that are running like this, right? I think this is what 002 in June, and that's the lowest it's been since May, right? It came up in May and it hasn't came back down past we'll give you 003. And since October, it hadn't been below the 005, which is pretty good, right? Not a lot of crypto do this, right? I don't care what you say. Show me the charts. Show me the numbers, right? Most of the time, stuff comes all the way back down. And of this, it hasn't came back down yet, right? I'm holding a large bag of Hoppy. I think it's going to 1 to 3 billion. You might have to look into Hoppy. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous with the whole Matt Fury thing, right? I thought it was going to pump or do more than what it did, and then it kind of just froze out on us, right? So I don't know. But yeah, Turbo is very stable, right? I'm putting most of mine in Turbo, but I want to make sure you guys diversify, right? Don't put all your crypto into the same project. Make sure you diversify, right? Don't get caught up uh, in one project and then it crashed down. And then you come back crying to me about you put all your money and it crashed, you don't know what to do, and you're selling your car and your house and your plasma and you're walking, you're back on the bus, right? This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. What the? Do not invest your life savings into any cryptos. I'm trying to get my sound together so when we do the videos, if I can hear or not, making sure this is working. Okay, we live. We are live. Where is the mute? There is no mute. Why is there no volume? Play is on. Okay, that did not help me out. Okay, let's see if we can. Dang it. Okay, we'll just pause it. Okay, so let's get to the video. That matches my prediction for Hoppy as well. 1 to 3 billion. Let's go back to here. Where is Hoppy? Wow. What is this wise monkey? All right, guys, something new every freaking day, man. I did pick up some of this Clevius Maximums just for grins. Where's Hoppy though? There's Andy. There's Mudang. What do you guys think about Mudang? Book of Memes. AI Rig. Zebro. Where is Hoppy? Oh wow, it's weird. Well, Hoppy does have a definite upside. Where is it though? Oh, number 655. I might have to look into that, guys. You might be on to something. So let me see, where are we? 55 minutes. Let's check out this video from, who is this?
Back to the channel. Turbo is crashing, and you're probably wondering what we'll be doing now. But I'm also going to go. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Now, just so you know, why this is happening, I explain why Turbo wasn't taking it was because of the overall market, right? Bitcoin's now below 92,000. And when Bitcoin goes down, the overall market tends to go down as well. And you see this with the overall meme coin market, which is down 9.8% so far for the day. We have projects like Dogecoin down 8.3%. We have, Pudgy Penguins down 11.6. We have some projects, an AI slash meme coin project that was doing fantastically well. This was actually in the top 5 just a few days ago, is now down 27% so far for the day. And the list goes on and on. But you'll find that with Turbo, it's only down 5.6%. So it's maintaining its value around the $565 million mark, which is good news. Now, if the market does fall lower, we will see Turbo fall lower as well. So that's the first thing you all have to write down or just have as a side note. If the overall market goes down, my meme coin Turbo will go down as well. You must all understand this. Now that you understand this point, the question is, how low will it go? And if you can figure that out, you can prepare for a fantastic few weeks ahead. Now, for those of you that made it this far in the video, I've been giving out free buy calls on Turbo over the past few weeks. In fact, for those of you that bought on this buy call here and several other buy calls, you're all in profit. If you missed out on these free buy calls, it means you're not subscribed to the channel. So please make sure you subscribe so you do not miss out on any more of these free buy signals and more. And of course, just updates like the one we're doing today, how to better prepare for the road ahead. Subscribed? Perfect. Let's continue with the video. Now, from where we currently are now, it looks like Turbo will maintain its overall value, right? What does that mean? That means if the market does decide to decline further, we should see Turbo continue its maybe 5, maybe 8% downside moves a day. And of course, this is if we see an aggressive sell off from the overall market. So let's just say we see Bitcoin go below 90,000. Well, from where we currently are now, we can expect another 5 to 8% sell off. Let's just say 6% sell off to be conservative, right? We should see price go down to about 0.00075982, which in the grand scheme of things is not a big move. Now, with that being said, once that does occur, it might be a good time to start adding positions, right? And we're going to talk more about that shortly. But I would start adding positions. That was the first downside move I'm anticipating. If we see Bitcoin go below 90,000.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Who is this clown talking about Turbo is a S coin? Who is this? And why are you even in the group if you don't like Turbo, right? We're talking about Turbo. Don't come here to FUD Turbo, bro. You're in the wrong group. You're gonna get banned to the shadow realm, brother. Pick rocks with that, bro.
maybe go down to 88 or so, then I think the lowest level we're going to see Turbo go from our current price is around 11%, right? Which is around 0.00072,173. Now, that's actually a very good decline in price. The way I want you guys to look at this is, let's say you own Turbo and you own another meme coin, let's say a AI 16Z, which was doing very, very well. So let's say you decided to move all of your Turbo into AI 16Z just because it's a meme coin attached to the AI narrative, which we believe is going to be the best performing narrative over the next 3 months. Let's say you did do that. Well, guess what? You would be down significantly right down. In fact, over the past 24 hours, you'd be down over 25%. Over the past 7 days, you'd be down 34%. Whereas Turbo, on the other hand, past 7 days, you're only down 14%. And over the past 25 hours, you're only down 5%. So the price basically maintained its value, right? So Turbo right now is probably one of the best meme coins in terms of stability to own, as well as Bonk Token. I've got a Bonk Token update after this one, but as you can see, similar drawdowns, down 14% over the past 7 days. But over the past 24 hours,
Right, screaming toad. This fool want violence, right? Coming here talking about something. Turbo's an S coin, bro. Kick rocks, right? You're in the wrong group for that player, right? You want violence, really? Look, it's only a problem when you make it a problem, and you don't want this problem. Whoever this Sergio, whatever he is, kick rocks, Buster. But let's get back to the video.
is only down 7.3%. So it's maintaining its market cap value, right? So that's what I envision for Turbo. Worst case scenario over the next few days, if we see a further aggressive downside from Bitcoin and the overall meme coin market, I think we'll probably draw down to about 11%, which in the grand scheme of things is not a big deal when you compare this to what other meme coins are doing. And I want to make it clear, guys, don't blame the project. This is no fault of the project. This is just how markets work, right? But here's the good news. That drawdown presents a massive opportunity to dollar cost average to add positions in. Now, some of you may be saying to yourself, add positions in, I'm out of liquidity, right? I can't buy the dip anymore. You're wondering, how does everybody else still have money to buy the dip? But here's the good news. You don't have to use any cash to buy the dip. You can actually do this without using any money at all. And if you made it this far in the video, I'm going to show you in my free Telegram group below how to do this. And it's going to shock you because it's so obvious, right? So I want you all to join my free Telegram group below. Again, it's free. If you don't have the Telegram, download the app, click the link in my description, and that'll take you to the group. I also have videos in there where I show you how to make 100,000 in 1 month in 16 days. I also gave out some of the AI picks completely free in that group. And again, if you're in those groups, even with the market pulling down, you're still in profit, right? That's how great the entries were on these calls. So you'll get more value. But of course, if you want to learn how you can buy Turbo for free, you need to join the free Telegram group right this second. So guys, I'll speak to you all soon. I've got Bonk update coming up after this one. Make sure you subscribe. And as always, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. Always make sure to do your own independent research. And until the next update, guys.
So that is VLM Network with his turbo updates. Moving forward, this is bum 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 bum. My main man.
What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another update.
Crypto Now or
Please
Never.
do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button.
Let's see what he has to say real quick. What time is it?
Pump the algorithm. I greatly appreciate it. This is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen sooner, I can't believe. Know what I
All right, so I'm not going to go over Bitcoin for very long. However, just understand right now we are retesting previous support levels. Ideally, we do not want to lose that $91,000 range. If we lose this level, then expect more downside. But on the contrary to that, if we lose this level, then there could be a lot better opportunities in the meme coin market. The reality is that there are a lot of new investors who have entered the market, but they had to buy at much higher prices. If a lot of you guys can remain disciplined, then you might get much better entries. What's interesting is if you look at the crypto fear and greed index, we were at 69, which is still greedy. This just goes to show you how much greed there was in the market. We were extreme greed for a very long time. And it is very important for you to always remember that nothing runs forever. There are always going to be pullbacks in this market. And consolidation like this is very important from a long-term perspective. A lot of people just focus so much on the short term, but that's not always what's important. Anyways, though, if we look at the meme coin market, you can see that a lot of meme coins are getting hammered. In the last week, Dogecoin's down 7%, SHIB's down 9%, Pepe is down 20%. If you scroll down, you can see that Turbo is actually down 15% in the last week. So it's actually holding better than Pepe right now. If we actually click on Turbo, you can see that the volume is down a little bit in the last 24 hours, but it's up to 82 million. In my previous Turbo video, we were even lower than this, so the volume has climbed a little bit. But you can see that most of the volume right now is still coming from Binance and BitGet. That hasn't changed since my last video. BitGet actually has higher volume than Binance right now. And when we look at the Turbo chart, it's still just major consolidation. I'm going to show you guys the daily time frame instead. So you can see, even during this market crash, Turbo is still holding key levels. This is awesome to see. A lot of projects right now have lost major support levels. Again, that's not the case for Turbo. I truly believe that this is one of the best looking charts in all of crypto right now. A lot of people out there think that Turbo is very boring right now, but I want to point out Bitcoin again. A lot of people also thought Bitcoin was very boring when I was showing you guys the 10-day time frame, and we were trading in this macro bull flag. But I was telling you guys for months and months and months that there's a good chance that this bull flag breaks to the upside. Obviously, we ended up breaking out parabolically and running to around 108,000. Now, again, is Bitcoin going to retrace more? It certainly could. But from a technical analysis standpoint, consolidation is very necessary. Truthfully, Turbo looks very good, especially given the current market conditions. When you look at the Turbo X account, not a whole lot has changed. They're still posting on here every single day, and they're growing every single day. They're up to 106,000 followers. Paving the way for the next evolution of community-driven tokens. The months ahead promise groundbreaking progress as we break more barriers in crypto. And this right here is very important. How many projects out there do you see right now that are trying to copy Turbo's success? And some of them are actually having a lot of success themselves. But this is how you know you're a great project, when you have a lot of people trying to copy your success. But at this moment, there's not much else for me to say about Turbo. I'm still very bullish on this project, and I think you guys should be too. Obviously, nothing is financial advice, but you cannot let a little market correction shake you out of your conviction plays. But if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early like Turbo, then I recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers. But even during this downtrend, we've been making huge gains in here. As a lot of you guys know, I posted a buy alert for Doge at a $10 million market cap, and it ran over 500 million. And even recently, a lot of my Discord's been hitting on microcaps. For example, Nitro was a big hit. It was called at 29K and it ran over 1 million. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here. We're building an amazing community.
Welcome Turbo family. What is going on? The prices just keep going up.
Something weird's going on with StreamYard's acting weird. But yeah, I got one more video to check out. But yeah, I might need to jump into the Discord. That was a pretty big call there. So this is Turbo holders in 2025. You need to know this. What do we need to know? Crypto lifestyle? Who the hell? Who is this guy? Let's see what this guy's talking about. Okay, I can barely hear that guy, so we'll have to shut him down. Let's see what Rose talking about, and we will shut it down because I see blip. So maybe something's going on. So I might have to shut it down for a while.
The dev is also Docs, Rep Mankind, all the way from Australia as well. You know, a lot of people do say that they that I remind him of him. You know, and a lot of people were saying that they thought I was a turbo founder. Listen, I'm not going to say too much on that, but if you know, you know. Now the price of this thing has dropped again, like substantially in the last 7 days. We're down 11%. Volume is sitting at 82 million. Um, the total supply obviously 69 billion, guys. It is evenly distributed, like literally some of the best distribution that is out there. A meme coin made by AI for the people. It brings in the best of both worlds, right? Meme coins, AIs, brings them together into a beautiful meme token. And AI plays good. They're going to be huge this bull cycle. Okay, AI tokens are going to be huge, and meme coins as well are going to be huge. I've always said this. If you guys remember what happened in March 2024, which was pre-halving, we've seen some of the biggest gainers were actually meme coins, running up over 1,000% in terms of gains. And then the second one was actually utility plays. RWA was actually second place, having ran up only 200, 300%. So obviously, there is a lot of hype around meme coins, especially when retail starts to come in. Now, I understand that we have taken a massive dip in the market, but this is just another buying opportunity. The reason for that is if we actually take a look at the trading view chart here, this is one of the best entries that you could have, guys. Trading at 2084 right now. It just bounced off this demand area and this obviously the upward trend support as well. We have all that. You can see this. It's literally following this chart to a T. If you guys are swing traders, this is something that you could get into. Now, not financial advice. I don't recommend anyone leverage trade. Again, it is a lot easier to lose your money. But if you guys wanted to get into a beautiful snipe, a beautiful entry, this demand area that we're sitting at mixed in with the upward trend that we're on right now, guys, might be one of the best times to load up. Again, I've always told you boys that we do need to hold and break above that penny mark, and that is something that we've been struggling with. So hopefully, this push that will come in the next couple weeks or days, whatever it may be, we break above that penny, we come back down, retest that penny mark, and move towards the upside. Again, if you guys have had Turbo in your watch list or you've seen it over a penny and you're like, yo, I need to get in, but what's a good price? Listen, the thing is, the narrative around the coin when it's pumping as opposed to when it's dumping is never going to be the same. The sentiment around it is always going to be completely different. And, you know, I completely, I don't think I disagree with you guys when you say that, hey, I would have bought this thing under a penny. The thing is, the narrative again around it is going to be completely flipped, right? So if you guys are not able to buy the coin right now, there's no way that you're even going to be able to sell the coin, right? Because you want to go against your emotions, you want to go against your feelings, and right now your feelings and your emotions are probably telling you, dude, this thing is going to go down a lot more, or this thing is going to continue crashing. And listen, when that's the case, you want to be buying. When there's fear, when there's uncertainty, when there's doubt in the markets, that is when you should be accumulating. That's what the smart people are doing. The fear and greed index sitting at a 69 fear, guys. Our 69 greed has not touched into the neutral yet, and I don't think we're going to be touching into the neutral just because Bitcoin is over like $90,000, as opposed to like where it was last year. But honestly, guys, historically, you also should know that Q1 is the best for Ethereum as well. after halvings, which our halving was 2024 April. So this Q1 of 2025 is going to be bullish for altcoins, for Ethereum, as Bitcoin dominance tapers off. If you guys hold any turbo or it's on your watch list, make sure you go follow them over on X, right? Stay up to date with the latest information, the latest news, because it's one thing to hear from me, but you guys should be a step ahead of the curve. You guys should obviously be following them on X. If you could, join Telegram groups and tune into obviously their AMAs. I do participate in some of them as well, and you guys should be able to check that out. Middle Europe is starting an absolute pleasure. It's starting, and it's an absolute pleasure to stand alongside these incredible builders here in beautiful Lisbon. If you're in town, swing by and grab some exclusive Aurora swag. So, guys, listen, you know how the partnership came out with Aurora and
So shout out to Roll. And I guess I'm shutting it down. I might do another live later or this evening because we're snowed in Dallas. So I'm not going anywhere. And we'll have plenty of time to make videos. So I might join later or start another one. We might do an XRP live or a alt. What is it? AI. What is it? AI agents live. But I'll probably do another live this evening. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And super chat. Thank you guys for all your support. Thank you guys for making me the I guess the general, the 5-star turbo general, or the turbo toad central office manager, or the turbo toad main toad. Either way it goes. Thanks for joining. Thanks for sharing, and subscribing. Don't forget to share and super chat. But it's your main man BTM signing out. Thanks for being there. Thanks for your support. Shout out to the Roaring Toady. Let's go. Turbo turn up. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. So it's your main man BTM signing out. And remember, let's get back to the money, guys. And as always, stay dangerous. Miner out.